Yesterday, I asked a group of developers, what's your biggest regret about database choices? Their immediate answer? Not migrating to DataStax Astra sooner. Let's dive into why you should care about this underrated gem. Postgres is all you need, they said. And by they, I mean developers who made something cool, then disappeared faster than my hopes of a stable production environment. Fast forward, and you're left babysitting a ticking time bomb of a database while they make comments about everyone else's choices on X. And let's talk about cloud database lock-in. If anyone tells you they love being locked into one cloud vendor, chances are they think Netscape Navigator is cutting edge.
Okay, boomer.
Having everything in one bill is not an architecture choice. You've probably heard about how open source Apache Cassandra has been powering companies like Apple, Netflix, and Walmart. But if it was a decade ago, we're not even talking about the same thing. Cassandra today is modern, powerful, and just a bit magical. When you use Astra DB, DataStax Cassandra as a service will never make you pick one cloud. You can safely retire your elite command line skills. And if you're worried about data modeling, skip it. Use Astra Data API. It's like alien technology, but really, it's just nerds! 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 And we have some awesome nerds. If you know how to use MongoDB, then you have all the knowledge you need. If you're using Mongo and questioning your life choices, I have your redemption story right here. Moving your existing Cassandra workloads to Astra with tools like zero downtime migration, we kind of took the challenge out. But don't worry, with all that new free time, you can go off and build something new. While you're at it, try the new GitHub Copilot integration with Astra DB. Let our AI overlords help you impress the boss.
DataStax developers can now directly access all the application-specific data from a singular place. And they can ask questions like, tell me more about my database, what tables are in this database, and how do I query this database?
Speaking of AI, here's the kicker. Using Astra for generative AI applications. Not only do you get all the Cassandra powers and data API, you also get the world's best vector search and the ability to create embeddings on the fly. You get all the hype words wrapped up in an API so you don't have to watch a lot of YouTube videos. There's also integrations with NVIDIA, OpenAI, and Azure AI, names you might have heard of. So as you can see, there's no better time to use Cassandra without even knowing you're using it. And if you're running your own Cassandra, stop working so hard. It's easy and free to get started, and we're here to help if you need it. Until then, enjoy our new mascot, Bodhi. He's a flying rhino. Why? Because flying rhinos are awesome.